BNESim ESim review, watch before using. In this video, we'll be reviewing BNESim ESim, an international eSIM provider that's been gaining attention in the market. BNESim offers global coverage with flexible data packages, making it an appealing option for frequent travelers, digital nomads, and those looking for a hassle-free mobile experience abroad. BNESim supports a wide range of countries, covering over 100 destinations, which is ideal for anyone who needs reliable data in multiple regions. It operates on the major global networks, ensuring good coverage even in remote areas. One of the standout features of BNESim is its easy activation process. No need for a physical SIM card, just scan a QR code, and you're set up within minutes. The eSIM functionality allows users to maintain their primary number while using a second plan for data, which can be a huge plus for international travelers who want to avoid roaming charges. The data plans are another selling point, offering a variety of options to suit different needs, from short-term passes for a few days to longer-term plans that cover entire trips. Pricing is competitive, and while it may not be the cheapest eSIM out there, the service's reliability and coverage justify the cost, especially for those who need consistent data on the go. Customer support with BNESim is generally responsive, available through chat and email. They also provide an app where you can manage your plan, check data usage, and top up when necessary. It's simple to navigate, and most users report positive experiences with the app. However, there are a couple of limitations. While the coverage is extensive, certain countries may have slower speeds or more limited network access compared to local providers. Additionally, while BNESim's app is user-friendly, the process of selecting and activating plans could be streamlined further, as it may not be intuitive for first-time users. Overall, BNESim is an excellent choice for those who travel often and need a reliable, flexible eSIM provider. It's perfect for anyone who wants an easy-to-use service with good global coverage, flexible plans, and a straightforward setup process. If you're looking for an affordable and dependable option for international data, BNESim is definitely worth considering.